Start reading and recording. Alright. Let me see what the fish does. Wait. The puffer is chasing you. Stop right there. Stop. Now go the other way. Go. Go. There goes the puffer. Oh, he saw you come the other way. Keep running. Stop right there and make him look at you in the glass. Ooh, look, there he comes up. He likes you, huh? Maybe he could smell you. Have you taken a shower today? Fishies are stinky smelling animals. Run the other way. Oh, hide from him. Go down. Ready? Run, hide. Right here. Hide. Go down. Oh, look, he knows where you are. Oh, he's leaving. He doesn't want to play with you anymore, it looks like. That puffer is so funny. Come back the other way. Go up, go down.
Go to the